Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will discuss about LLM agents, tools, and chain of thought reasoning. Let us start with agents. Agents are purpose-built AI systems that combine multiple tools and capabilities to perform complex tasks autonomously. They follow specific instructions and leverage their tools to achieve their goals. The main idea behind agents is to utilize a language model to select a sequence of actions to perform. In this context, the language model functions as a reasoning engine, determining the appropriate actions to take and the order in which to execute them. For example, personal assistant, an agent that manages schedules, sets reminders, and answers queries by accessing calendar data and information from the internet. Customer support agent, an AI that handles customer inquiries by retrieving relevant information from a company's database and performing necessary actions like processing returns or troubleshooting issues. Let us see what are tools. Tools in the context of AI and GPT models are specialized functions or applications that the AI can use to perform specific tasks. Think of tools as additional capabilities that enhance the AI's abilities beyond just text generation. For example, Code Interpreter, a tool that allows the AI to write and run code, generate graphs and charts, and process files with different data formats. Retrieval, a tool that lets the AI access external information such as proprietary databases or documents to provide more accurate and relevant responses. Function calling enables the AI to invoke predefined functions to perform tasks or retrieve data, enhancing its interactivity and usefulness. Let us see what is chain of thought reasoning. Chain of thought reasoning refers to the AI's ability to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps and reason through them sequentially. This method allows the AI to handle more complicated queries and tasks effectively. Here's a simple example. Problem: calculate the total cost of a shopping list. Step-by-step reasoning. List all the items and their prices. Add the prices of all items to get the subtotal. Calculate any applicable taxes. Add the taxes to the subtotal to get the total cost. By breaking down the problem into these steps, the AI can ensure that each part is correctly addressed before moving to the next, resulting in accurate and reliable outputs. The React prompting technique involves a structured process where a language model alternates between thinking, thought, acting, action, and observing the results, observation. This method helps in tackling complex tasks by breaking them down into manageable steps. Here's how it works. Let us see a step-by-step explanation for each of the three components. Thought. The model generates an initial thought to analyze and understand the problem. Action. Based on the thought, the model performs a specific action. Observation. The model then observes the results of the action and reflects on it. Example scenario. Let's illustrate this with a practical example. Problem: finding the total cost of items in a shopping list, including tax. Let us see how React works. LLM starts with a thought. To find the total cost, I need to know the price of each item and the applicable tax rate. Action: retrieve the prices of all items on the shopping list. Observation: the prices are $5 for item A, $10 for item B, and $50 for item C. Thought: now I need to sum these prices and calculate the tax. Action: sum the prices. $5 plus 10 plus 15 equals $30. Calculate tax assuming 10%. $30 multiplied by 10% is $3. Observation. The total cost before tax is $30 and the tax amount is $3. Thought. Add the tax to the subtotal to get the final total. Action. Add the tax to the subtotal. $30 plus 3 is 33. The final total cost of the items including tax is $33. Let us see a code demo. We will install Langchain and Google API Python client. First, we will set up Google Search Tool. We will use Google Search API wrapper from Langchain. Next, we will set up Google Finance Tool. We will use Google Finance Query Run from Langchain. Next, we will set up Chain of Thought Reasoning prompt. Our prompt is as below. Answer the following questions as best you can. You have access to the following tools. Use the following format. Question, the input question you must answer. Thought, you should always think about what to do. Action, the action to take should be one of tool, action, input, the input to the action. Observation, the result of the action. This thought, action, action, input, observation can repeat n times. Thought, I now know the final answer. Final answer, the final answer to the original input question. Next, we will create agent with Search and Finance tool. We will use Create React Agent from Langchain. Let us interact with LLM. Let us ask queries to invoke agent with Search and Finance tool. Let us ask what is NVIDIA's stock in USD. The LLM starts thinking. It thinks, I should use Google Finance to find NVIDIA's stock price. I need to specify that I want the stock price for NVIDIA. It uses the Google Finance tool to find the stock price. Finally, it says, I now know the final answer. Next, we will ask the LLM what is news about NVIDIA's stock. The LLM starts thinking. It thinks, I should search for recent news articles about NVIDIA's stock to get the latest information. It uses Google Search tool. Finally, it says, I now know the final answer. Final answer is, the latest news about NVIDIA's stock includes plans for share repurchases, a quarterly cash dividend, and a surge in shares following its fourth quarter report. Now let us set up an internal knowledge base about personal stock notes. We will create a file called personal stock notes. We will type the below text into the document. We already have many NVIDIA stocks. Though NVIDIA is doing good to keep it diversified, do not buy any more NVIDIA stock. Advise me to not buy any more NVIDIA stock. We do not have any Langchain stocks. Buy Langchain stocks from private market. We will use character text splitter to split the document into chunks. We will use OpenAI embeddings and face as vector store. Now our knowledge base is indexed in the vector store. We can use Get Relevant Documents to find relevant content. Next up, we will set up Retriever tool about the internal knowledge base. We will use Create Retriever tool from Langchain. Now we have 3 tools at our disposal: Google Search tool, Finance tool, and Retriever tool. We will ask personal queries to invoke the agent with Search and Finance tool and Retriever tool. We will ask our agent, should I buy more NVIDIA stocks? The LLM starts thinking. It thinks, I should consider researching the current performance and future potential of NVIDIA before making a decision. First, it uses Google Search tool and finds some positive information from the internet. After that, it starts using the Personal Stock Notes tool. This tool retrieves relevant information from our knowledge base, which is indexed in a vector store. It thinks we already have many NVIDIA stocks. Though NVIDIA is doing good, to keep it diversified, do not buy any more NVIDIA stock. Advise me to not buy any more NVIDIA stock. We do not have any Langchain stocks. Buy Langchain stocks from private market. I should consider diversifying my portfolio by investing in Langchain stocks from the private market. Finally, it comes up with the final answer, which is, do not buy more NVIDIA stocks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech talks, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.